Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Moiva. So today I'm showing you how to get the. Let me show you like these sleeves that I got and these ones. Let me show you which ones. These sleeves. Okay, all this hammer. Okay, this hammer, these leaves, and this hammer, and this dress, the gemstone one. Okay, so now we have to go. The update is in free play mode. Okay, we have to go outside for this. Like you see, we can start off with you see right here the coffee. The coffee shop. Where's the coffee shop? But first we can start here near the see where the polar bears are. You look for the computer for hacking. I already did it, so I don't need to do it again. So I think it's somewhere. I found it already. The computer is not here. On the other, on this side, I think so. Here's the first computer near the polar bear. I already hacked mine. Now here the coffee shop right here, just right here. You'll see this other computer. This is I'm going to do as slow as I can. Those are both of them. I already hacked them. Now where are those stairs? The stairs. You know where the stairs are? We are going there. Let's use like let's get here. Okay, here are the stairs near. Oh, sorry. I hear like this. Okay, now you see like right over here when we go like here near the stairs, you see this computer right here. Then hack it. After hacking it, we go up the stairs like up. Like you see here, recording studios. We come here at recording studios. We come to school, and you see right here, bit. Now you come and hack this computer right here. Then you'll be done with all of them. Now you just need to, after you're done with all of them, like you go like here. You see this URL right here that is opened. You jump in here. Enter your code that you have right here. Mine was already unlocked. Now look for your hammer because mine was right here. It doesn't mean because mine was right here, yes, it's still going to be here. You have to look for your hammer. Like another person found right here. Other people found it like right here, so obvious. Lana found hers right here, like where I'm standing in front. See, I saved Lana. Now you break the glass with the hammer. So that's all it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.